Welcome to The Morning After. My name is Matthew Smith. It's spelled with just the one T, but most people just call me difficult. Let's get into it. Meta's latest attempt at mainstream VR is the Meta Quest 3. It's a new virtual reality, mixed reality, augmented reality headset. Similarly priced to the Quest 2, it features a higher res display, as well as a more comfortable headband and a wider field of virtual view. The company showed off how the Quest 3 can blend augmented reality items with your own physical surroundings, wonderfully expressed in the sweeping dramatic gestures of Meta CTO Andrew Bosworth. Say it with me: walls, furniture, items. But is this going to make the metaverse happen? I own a Quest 2, it's over there somewhere in the corner, and I even dabble in Horizon Worlds. That's Meta's first take on building its own metaverse. And it's a quiet, often boring place. There's just not enough people. And to get more people, Meta has to sell more Quest headsets. To sell more Quest headsets, Meta needs a more vibrant, more populated ecosystem. To do that, they need to, you get what I'm trying to say here. Now make sure to check out our full impressions of the Quest 3 somewhere else on this Engadget YouTube channel, as well as checking out our full write-up over at engadget.com. Olivia Rodrigo has collaborated with Sony on some new headphones. Yes, they're a violet version of the LinkBuds S, open-ear wireless buds from Sony, and they'll feature a special equalizer for 2 of Rodrigo's songs. The Grammy Award-winning artist now joins a pantheon of musicians collaborating or taking checks, at least, from tech companies. But at least this one makes sense, you know, Olivia Rodrigo, musician, music, headphones. Remember when Alicia Keys was briefly the creative director for BlackBerry? Yeah, the phone company. And let's not forget the Hall of Famer when it comes to tech collabs, the once director of creative innovation at Intel, will.i.am. He also launched 2 terrible wearables, a expensive iPhone case, backed a 3D printer, and even a messaging app that was called the perfect bullying app. That's what we call range. And the saddest man cave demands this foldable gaming chair from Logitech and Playseat called Challenge X. And I think we can all agree it looks like a cross between a baby seat and a sun lounger. This $299 fold-up supports steering wheels and controller panels from Logitech, as well as pedals, but don't forget to unplug all of those when you're told to pack up your big, strong gaming chair. Yes, Logitech insists on branding this a cockpit, which is, funnily enough, British slang for a man cave. Now on to the other big news. More from Meta, and they announced their newest smart glasses, another collaboration with Ray-Bans. Yes, they're thinner, they have better cameras, and support live streaming, as well as being easier to use. But are you willing to wear Meta-powered Ray-Bans as your go-to sunglasses? To assuage any privacy concerns, the company has made the recording light brighter and bigger, but these smart sunglasses will be polarizing. Sorry, I mean you can get polarizing lenses for them. It's one of 150 permutations, apparently. Foldable technology is coming to laptops again, despite the fact that laptops already fold. Yes, hot on the heels of Lenovo and HP, LG's 17-inch Gram Fold is scheduled to launch only in Korea. It's priced at 5 million won over there, which I know sounds expensive, and that's because it is. That's roughly $3,700. However, that is still cheaper than HP's foldable laptop, which rings in at around $5,000. I don't want this camera anymore. The one I want is Sony's ZV-E1. Its new full-frame camera aimed at YouTubers. I'm not sure if I'm a YouTuber or not. Anyway, it's filled with AI tricks for people that don't do video good, like me, as well as that full-frame sensor. It costs $2,200, which sounds initially pricey, but it is cheaper than a lot of Sony's other full-frame cameras, and still packs incredible autofocus, speeds, and looks tiny and cute, it seems. I would like one, and I may have even convinced my superiors to buy me one for my job until I roasted their man cave gaming setups earlier in this video. And that's your morning after. Don't come for me if you want that Logitech gaming chair, because I secretly kind of want one too. And be sure to check in for the next episode bright and early next Saturday morning. Thanks for watching. Walls, furniture, objects. Walls, furniture, objects. I love that you're just going to use this at the end of the video as a blooper. I hate you.